the guitar used by Bruce Springsteen and his work with the E Street Band, as well as his outside solo career. As we can see, it's been used on several album covers, from his greatest hits to Born to Run. Next we have the Jaguar Fender, which was quintessential to the 60s surfer sound. Notable groups, the Beach Boys and Jan and Dean. The next guitar we have to be spotlighted is used by George Harrison. On the wall we see a Gretsch guitar used by the supergroup the Traveling Wilburys. Even the king of rock and roll used a Fender acoustic. Next on the tour, we see how Bob Dylan went electric. He did it with a Fender and turned folk music on its head. Now we see a photo of Eric Clapton sitting and using his Fender. Nobody does it better than Slowhand. As I stare at the wall, I think of the guitars I have at home. I myself am a musician and have been using Fender for years. I own a Stratocaster as well as a traveling Wilburys Gretsch. Here we are. We just got done with the Fender factory. It was phenomenal. One of the most amazing places I've ever been. It was so cool. As you can see, I'm next to Buddy Holly, one of the greatest guitarists ever. There is Buddy Guy, and down the line we have Jimi Hendrix and stuff. Some of the greats. This was one of the most amazing experiences. I want to thank Jason Farrell from Fender Guitars, Public Relations Manager.